Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are fine today. And we have to start the lecture for the derivative. Now, y is equal to this, and we have to find this. Okay? You know that this is the product of the two values, and we have to find dy over dx. We use the product rule for this function. So, first step, we apply the derivative. We apply the derivative on both sides. Okay, this is our first step. We can write dy over dx. This will be called the first function, and this is the second function. When we use the rules for the product, we remain unchanged without applying on first value, first function. So we apply the derivative on the second function. And next, we will write the plus sign. If we take the derivative in the first step, we can remain as. And we take the derivative for the first value x negative 5. I will repeat again. We use the product rule. This is the two functions here. We remain as unchanged. The first function we take the derivative in the second, and we take the without derivative of the second, and we take the derivative of the first function. Okay, so let us go. This is the constant. When we take the derivative of the values, we are treating the constant, the derivative will be 0. And this is the x, and with respect to x, so the answer will be x is the negative 1. We can write the same as, and 5 is the constant. Negative 1, 3 negative x into 1. After simplification, we can write as negative 1 on the first issue, and this, after changing, we have 3x. Okay, 3 and 5, 8, and negative 2. This will be the answer. If you like my video, support my channel, which is the name of the mathematics lecture, and subscribe it. It's okay, Allah Hafiz.